Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to remove someone from your Snapchat. So let me directly get into the step. So the first one is all about, we need to search the particular name whom we wanted to remove. So let me go over here at the top and I'm going to search the name one of my friend whom I wanted to remove it. So I just need to go over here, select the profile of it. So I have get a filter over here and this is the person whom I wanted to change. Now I need to tap on the profile once again. And now after tapping on the profile, you can see there is a 3-dot menu at the top right. You have to tap on this particular icon. And right now there is an option called Manage Friendship. You have to select this one. And right now there is an option called Remove Friend. So you have to tap on Remove Friend and go for Remove. So right now, this particular person is successfully removed from my Snapchat. That's what you have to do. So it's quite simple as it is. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye-bye.